Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to unlock more power sources in Planet Zoo. As your zoo grows, you'll need more power to keep everything running. The standard power transformer works well, but it has a negative impact on guests when placed nearby. Luckily, there are other power sources you can unlock. These are more environmentally friendly and have little to no negative impact on guests, making them useful for powering areas farther away from your main facilities. To unlock them, you'll need to research them first. Start by clicking on the Zoo button in the lower left corner of your screen. Then, select the flask and wrench icon to open the Mechanic Research window. Here, you'll find a list of different research categories. Scroll down until you find the Power Research, which has a solar panel on its thumbnail. To begin the research, simply drag one of your mechanics from the list on the left onto the Power Research window. The research will then begin. It may take some time to finish, so you can either increase the game speed or work on other parts of your zoo while you wait. Once the research is complete, you'll receive an alert on the left side of your screen. You can then build the new power source unlocked by that research tier. The solar panel has no negative impact on guests, but it has a smaller power range compared to a standard transformer. The wind turbine, on the other hand, has a small negative impact, but provides a larger power range than a solar panel. This makes it a nice middle ground between the standard transformer and the solar panel. Choose whichever power source works best for your zoo, and make sure to check the heat map when placing them to get the most efficient coverage. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.